Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So today's video is going to be about the end of the coupons.com app, and I apologize for not touching on this week. I was so busy with the Dollar General that this was kind of put on the back burner. But we're going to talk about it and why this is happening and so on and so forth. So it's the coupons.com app that you can apply for one rebate for an item. So say there's $1 off a jar of salsa, go to the store, buy it, apply for that dollar with the coupons.com app. They drop you that dollar to your PayPal and, easy peasy. So this is the email that many of us received. Hey Sugar meets Shopmium. The coupons.com app will be available for just one more month! ! Switch now to Shopmium for a sweeter way to save. So the coupons.com site to print internet printables will still be, alive, well, and thriving. But the app to get the PayPal drop is going to be done sometime in July, but they're not giving us the date. So I don't know if it's just going to be like a dead app sometime in July. We don't know what the date is. But it seems like, I know that last Sunday I was on the app looking around. There was a bunch of new rebates. So whatever the internet printables are on the coupons.com site usually always appear on the coupons.com app. So I know that a lot of us utilize this app. It was very easy to use. You get that PayPal drop really quickly. So the company that owns both coupons.com and Shopmium is called Quotient Technology. And I think they're just consolidating the two apps that basically do the same thing into one. And, they own the two companies, so they can choose what they want to do. It's the way it goes. But what are my thoughts on this? I know that for the longest time, say, for example, that jar of salsa, a lot of shoppers would go and buy it at Walmart, for example, and then make an application to both Shopmium and the coupons.com app. And that's not how the two were meant to be. So I think probably Quotient Technology took a healthy look at the books and said, okay, well, we're just going to streamline this into one, which makes sense. But I think their biggest problem, and Quotient Technology, if you're watching this video, listen up. Your biggest problem is your internet printables. And half of the stores where I live will not accept them. They're not accepted. You get in a lot of trouble for even having a printable. And even some stores, I think a couple Dollar Generals near me, they have a thing written that they will not accept an internet printable because it potentially could be photocopied. It's just the rules over here, and they're very strict. So, it is what it is, and that's the way that it goes, guys. So about Shopmium, you'll have to go to the App Store and download it and play around with it. It's a little bit different than the coupons.com app, but, it has all the items. You just activate it once you buy it, apply for the rebate. And I think the amount of people that were double dipping between, coupons.com, Shopmium, and Alexa, I believe, that's why they're trying to streamline it into one. They probably just looked at their books, and that's how it, shakes out. I was never a user of Shopmium either, so I'm kind of on this journey with you guys. I always used the coupons.com app. That was just a favorite one that I used for years, and it was very easy to use because you could see if your item was qualifying and so on and so forth. And that PayPal drop was pretty swifty as well. So if you download Shopmium today, they are offering new signups a bag of Pillsbury cookies, if that's your thing. I guess they're really trying to sweeten up the deal. But you'll just get this welcome gift, which is a bag of cookie dough by Pillsbury. And it's just a lot like the coupons.com app, so something new that we have to use. And the fact that this company is phasing out one just to have another, very interesting. I wonder when the next shoe is going to drop and they're going to get rid of their internet printables altogether. We've seen, even the P&G insert at the end of February disappear. They don't have that anymore. So I've never seen a year before, guys, that they've taken back so much. So in the comments, let me know what you think. I'm very curious to read. And if you are going to sign up for Shopmium, at least they're offering us one little free item. I would try and get this cookie dough right away, but make sure that you're not making the application for both coupons.com and Shopmium, because you potentially, I think, could get locked out of your account, or you won't be able to submit a receipt. You'll just get an error code over and over and over if you're trying to do the same. I know a lot of people have been complaining to me that they're getting this weird error code, I think because they have really cracked down on people doing double submission. So just be smart about it, guys. Or download Shopmium maybe in July if you're a huge coupons.com user. Okay, that's it for this video. Let me know what you think in the comments down below, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.